Hi everybody, how are you doing? Okay, uh, today I wanna show you my trading strategy that I use, and this strategy, to be honest, it's been really an amazing strategy in my forex journey. Yeah, this strategy I've been using it for some time now, if not very long time. And it's been really producing good and tremendously amazing results. Yeah, so today I've decided to share this strategy. I've been keeping it secret for myself for some time, just doing tests and also uh, monitoring, and also uh, wanting to make something from it before I can publish it. And today I've just decided to share this with you. Please pay attention. This one is gonna change your life when it comes to financial trading. Okay, so this strategy, I've been using it to trade a stock, and this stock is not other than NASDAQ. Yeah, I believe we all know what NASDAQ is, but in case you don't know what NASDAQ is, I want to just brief and explain what this is all about. Okay. Uh, NASDAQ is actually a global electronic marketplace for buying and selling securities. Okay. So NASDAQ was created by the National Association of Security Dealers, which is NASD, NASD, okay, which is now known as the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, FINRA. Okay, the marketplace was created so that investors could trade securities on a computerized, speed and transparent system, and it commenced operations on February 8, 1971. February 8, 1971. So let me just make you understand what this NASDAQ things is all about. NASDAQ is an acronym. It's not a complete word in other ways. It's an acronym which stands for National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. I'll repeat it again. National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation, which is NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Okay. The term, this term NASDAQ is also used to refer to the NASDAQ composite, an index of more than 3,000 stocks listed on the NASDAQ exchange. That includes the world's foremost technology and biotech giants such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, Oracle, Amazon, Intel, Facebook, YouTube, Netflix. The list goes on. Okay, the list goes on. So NASDAQ officially separated from the NASD, which is NASD, and began to operate as National Securities Exchange in 2000. In 2007, it combined with the Scandinavian Exchange Group OMX to become the NASDAQ OMX Group, which is the largest exchange company globally, powering 1 in 10 of the world securities transactions. I believe we've gotten something. I believe we've gotten something there. So, just a recent history of NASDAQ. The European Association of Securities Dealers Automatic Quotation System was founded as European equivalent to the NASDAQ stock market. It was purchased by NASDAQ in 2001 and became NASDAQ Europe. Operations were shut down, however, as a result of bursting of the dot-com bubble. In 2007, NASDAQ Europe was revived as Equidact, and it is currently operating under Boss Berlin. Okay, so this is the brief about this index NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, you find that other brokers, they use the way it is NASDAQ, the word NASDAQ. Other brokers, they use US 100. Okay, there is also US 50. There is also US 30. Sorry, not 50, US 30. Okay, so depending on the broker that you are using, other brokers, they just say NQ 100. Other brokers just NQ. So depending on which broker you are using, but here on my broker is US Tech 100. Okay, so now let's get now to the business. So this strategy that I'm going to share with you, please, I want to advise you to say Forex is a high risk business, but at the same time, it's a nice business. It's high risk business. Don't invest the money that you're not willing to lose. But we are getting there. We are getting there, and I believe with this strategy, it will change the way you trade. Okay, so NASDAQ, like I said, is a combination of hundreds of stocks, and these ones are USA based stocks. Okay, so I trade NASDAQ at 9 p.m. London time, and I also trade at 15:30 hours London time. Okay, why I trade in these times is because they give a clear direction for this index called NASDAQ. Okay, so now I will show you step by step how I trade this index. Okay, just pay attention, listen to the end of the video, and put these things into practice. Okay, so first step, we are going to go to if you are using Android phone, you go to Play Store. Okay, you go to Play Store. So you search for invest.com app. this one. So as you can see here, I already have this on my phone. This is application that you need to install. Okay, so once you install this application, you go back to your phone, you go back, you go back, you search, I'll search for it. Sorry, my phone is a bit slow. Okay, so I'll search for it. There it is. You go there, you click, you open it. You open it. There it is. There it is. Okay, so as you can see down here, there is markets, there is news, there is calendars, there is watch list, there is more. So as you can see, watch list is highlighted, for which when you click there on your phone, you click watch list, it won't show this list. It won't show this list. This one where you can see Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, Apple going down. It won't show you this list. So now, what you do, you go on top here. I'll go back. Okay. So obviously, this is how it will show on your platform. It won't show this one NASDAQ 100. Okay, it will just show empty. Your list is empty. Then what you do, you click on add new portfolio. Okay, you click there on the portfolio, then you put a name, the name there, name of your portfolio. So in this case, I'll name it NASDAQ. I'll name it NASDAQ. So my phone is behaving. The problem. Okay, there it is. Stack index. Then I'll click on create portfolio. There is creating, and it's telling me watch list is empty. So now I'll start adding. You can see there where this add symbol. You click right there. You click right there. You begin now to add for portfolios. Then I want you to add this list of portfolios. Number one, you add Netflix. Okay, let's actually start with Tesla. So as you can see on top there is search. So you search, you write there Tesla. Okay, as you can see, slide there number one. Then far end here, I don't know if you can see a star, and there's also plus just along the line of Tesla Inc. Okay, so you click here where there is plus. As you can see, it's been highlighted by whether this is yellow or orange. So it means it's been added on our watch list. Then now the next step, we search for we search for Facebook. Facebook Inc. As you can see there on top, you also add the portfolio. As you can see, it's been highlighted. So go back again. My phone is slow. You search now, YouTube. Sorry, not YouTube. You search for Netflix. As you can see here, is here. You choose Netflix Inc. There is Cloudflare, there is Netlinks, there is Netflix Inc. There is also NetApp Inc. You choose Netflix Inc. You click there, you select, you add it, then we'll search for Amazon. You can see here, you go for Amazon.com Inc. You add it to your portfolio. So right now we've added Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, and also Facebook. Also add Microsoft. There should be 5 of these major symbols. There is MicroStrategy Incorporate. Sorry, Microsoft. Okay. So so Microsoft, as you can see, is number 1 here, Microsoft Corporation. You add it as well. Okay. So let's go back and see what we've put in our. So you can see here, there are 5 already. There is Tesla, Facebook, there is Netflix, Amazon.inc, Microsoft. So there are 5 altogether. Okay. There are 5 altogether. So what else? Just wait. Just wait. We'll go back to the portfolio we created, which is NASDAQ index. I almost forgot Apple. Let's put it up there. Sorry, my phone is a bit slow. There is Apple Inc. there. You add it. It's been added, as you can see. So I'll click on view list. Okay, so you can see here what we've selected. Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, okay. So we'll go back. You can see there's an arrow pointing backward. So here we are. Here we are. So there's Tesla, there's Facebook, there's Netflix, there's Amazon.com and Microsoft, and also Apple. So you can see, so there are six altogether. So now here is a real deal now. Here's a real deal. Please pay attention. So you can see here on my chart, on my screen right now, Tesla is showing the second number is showing green, which is 19.18. In brackets is plus 1.95%. Then Facebook, you can see it's negative. In the number in the brackets negative 1.14. Netflix is also showing negative. Amazon is also showing negative. Microsoft is also showing positive. Sorry, Amazon and Microsoft, these ones are showing positive. Apple as well is showing negative. Now here is the thing. Around 15:30 hours, when the US market is opened according to London time, the USA market opens 15:30 hours. You realize when you open your NASDAQ chart on your MT4 or MT5 platform, you discover that NASDAQ begin to move fast exactly at 15:29. It will start moving fast, and even the spread, you find that it's widen. So the dealers widen the spread, like to begin to move very fast. Like as in one candle, it can be long and it can be reversal just there. Okay, so it will move very fast. So now, what you do, you watch it. You watch it. It moves fast right there. Then, when you see 1533 going down, 1533 going down, okay, maybe 1533 or 1534 or 1536 or 1540, okay, then you notice that the market is still on the lower high or lower low. Okay, so let's say the candle is you see, the market is more like pushing the market to go down. Okay, let me say that it's showing a downtrend. All right, and when you come here on the invest.com, on your watch list, sorry, when you see these symbols, these 6 symbols you've selected, if they are all showing green, okay, and the market is the candle is still, maybe let me say, maybe it's a bearish candle, or the market is down a bit down there, okay, and this thing they are showing green, you can press your buy order. Are you getting this one? If this thing they are showing green and your market is down, okay, or the market is making a turn, like to start now going up, and this thing they are showing green, all of them, prepare to press a buy trade, and time was supposed to be not less than 1534. Supposed to be 1534 or 1536 or 1537. Even 16 hours, you can still press that trade. Are you hearing this one? Then there are times when all these things they are not showing green, but you find that Tesla, Amazon, and Apple, if these one they are showing green, Even these others are showing red, you can still prepare to buy. Why? Because Tesla, Amazon, and also Apple, these ones are mostly USA stocks or technology that moves the market, when the NASDAQ market. So the list of the technologies, they may be showing red, but these ones, they are the major one that moves the market, which is Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. So I know someone is asking to say, but why have you just chosen just 6 of them? Meanwhile, you said that there are hundreds of technologies that makes up NASDAQ index. Yeah, that's all right. I've picked 6 because these ones are the major technologies that makes up NASDAQ index. Okay, so this which I have explained, the opposite is true. When you see all these are showing red and the market is on top there showing the uptrend, it is time for you to prepare a sell order. No matter how uptrend is showing, it will definitely turn and start going in the direction of a bearish. Okay, as long as these ones are showing red, these second numbers, this one you see here, Tesla is green here, Facebook is red. If all these are red, no matter, and the market is on top, it is time for you to prepare sell orders exactly at starting from 1534 going up. You can prepare your sell. Then there are cases where not all these technologies here will show red, but as long as Tesla, Amazon, and Apple is showing red, you can still sell. You can still place your sell. Are you getting me? Please try this, put this into practice, try it in a demo, and you are familiar with it. That's when you can go and trade live. But I believe you will still be easily capture this because it's a very simple strategy. If you have any question, let me know, just comment and I'll be able to respond to you. Please subscribe also to the channel. If anything, you'll be the first one to receive, you'll be the first one to see the notification that something has been added. I'll be sharing and I'll be posting new forex stuffs on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Shalom, shalom. Enjoy your trading. If you have any question, please let me know and I'll be right here to respond to your request. Thank you so much.